Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Nissan Sentra key system error. First, let's address the most common culprit, a dead key fob battery. This simple fix can save you a lot of hassle. You'll need a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Carefully open your key fob, remove the old battery, and insert the new one, making sure the positive side faces upwards. This often resolves the issue immediately, allowing your vehicle to recognize the key once more. If replacing the key fob battery doesn't work, don't worry, there's another simple trick. Your Nissan Sentra has a manual override slot designed to detect the key fob even with a low or dead battery. Look for this slot, typically located near the push-button start or sometimes within the center console. Insert your key fob directly into this slot. This physical connection often allows the vehicle to recognize the key and start the engine. Sometimes, the key system error isn't about the key fob, but your vehicle's main battery. A weak car battery can cause various electrical issues, including problems with key detection. Pop your hood and inspect the battery terminals for corrosion. Clean them if necessary. Ensure the terminals are securely tightened. Ideally, test the battery voltage. It should read above 12.6 volts for optimal performance. If it's low, a jump start or replacement might be needed. If you've tried all the previous steps and the key system error persists, it might be time for a more advanced reset. You can attempt a vehicle system reset by disconnecting your car's main battery. Carefully disconnect the negative terminal for at least 15 minutes, then reconnect it securely. This can sometimes clear stubborn electrical glitches. However, if the error still remains, it's best to consult a certified Nissan technician. They have specialized diagnostic tools to pinpoint the exact problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.